teriyaki chicken. Lunchtime. Please hit like, share, subscribe button. So today I'm gonna eat white rice with grilled chicken teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki chicken. Wow. It's out my iced tea. Have a great lunch. Last night I grilled the chicken. It's taken me a while. Chicken on top of white rice. Grilled chicken take me around like an hour to cook because I need to put like ingredient like salt, sugar, MSG, pepper, and then after that I put on the sides like in the fridge around like 30 minutes, and then make sure you guys don't over grill it because if it's over grilled it's gonna taste very bitter. Iced tea for this seasons, it's make me refresh a lot because right now outside is like 85 degrees, you know. I go out Safeway and bought teriyaki sauce bottle. I think it's cost me around like $5. Finish my lunch. It's time to head back to work now. I have a ton of work to do now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.